Welcome class 11 students. Today we will be studying economics, chapter number 3, basic problems of an economy. Now as I have explained in my introduction video that economy faces various problems due to scarce resources and unlimited ones. So today we will be continuing that. So in basic problems of economy we have to study 3 problems which is faced by an economy. First one is what to produce, second one is how to produce, and the last one is for whom to produce. So one by one we will discuss. The first one is what to produce. What to produce means what commodity should be produced and at what extent. Now as you know that resources are scarce and wants are unlimited. All the commodities cannot be produced by an producer. An industry cannot produce all the commodities which are required by human beings or consumers due to scarce resources. So the question comes, a problem comes, what commodity should be produced and at what extent the commodity should be produced. So the second one is how to produce. Now as you know the work can be done by laborers or by machines. So if the work done is by machines, then we say it's capital intensive technique, and if it is done by laborers we say that manpower, when the work is done by manpower we say that labor intensive technique. Now industry has a question, various question comes in the minds of industry, and a problem comes that which technique should be used, either labor intensive technique is to be used or capital intensive technique is to be used. So this is also one kind of problem which a economy faces. Now if capital intensive technique is used, what will happen? There will be unemployment, and if labor intensive technique is used, there will be work will not be done efficiently, because as we know with the help of machine output can be increased, but with labor output can be increased only to some extent. Clear? So this is the second problem which economy faces. The third one is for whom to produce. Now for whom to produce means now which class of society, for which class of society the goods should be produced. Now as you know in our economy there are rich peoples, there are middle class, there are low class peoples also, poor peoples. So as we know that the distribution of income is not equal in these 3 classes of society. So there can be problem that for which class of society the goods should be produced. So this is also one major problem of an economy. So these were the important problems which we have discussed, which are faced by an economy. So based on this I will be giving you notes. So thank you for watching the video.